Hey, it's Tom from Tom's Tunes. If our channel, the couple hundred videos, the emails you've sent me, the phone calls you've made to me, the questions and the comments that have been answered, if that's been helpful for you and your boat restoration project, this is a chance for you to pay it forward to some veterans who deserve some time out on the water. We bought this boat a couple years ago to restore and sell, but we had a little change of heart. Instead, we're donating this to a local organization. It's the Croton Sportsmen for Youth and Disabled Veterans. It's an organization that takes veterans from the Veterans Home right here in Grand Rapids, Michigan, up on fishing excursions so they get that well-deserved time outdoors and on the water fishing. This boat has new everything. We've taken care of all of the costs involved in the new flooring, the new railings, the new seating, new electrical. There's even a stereo on here. Lots of open space so we can get walkers, wheelchairs, whatever might need to be, plus space for gear and tackle, because this is for fishing. Here's where we need your help. We've covered the rest of this, but if you're newer to our channel, you may have missed this video. We did one last summer. We said when we get to 5,000 subscribers, with thanks to you guys, we just arrived there just a few days ago. We need a new motor for this. The motor was stolen right off the boat, hacked that right off, took the motor and controls. So we are going to put a brand new 20 horsepower Suzuki fuel injected 4-stroke. These guys are gonna be able to turn the key, get out on the water worry-free for years and years and years, so those veterans get what they need in terms of outdoor time. We call it hydrotherapy where I'm from, but we're gonna get them out on the water where they get to fish and enjoy the outdoors. We'll take care of some other finishing things on this boat. We've set a GoFundMe. I'll put the link right here and it'll be in the description. We're trying to raise $4,500. That's gonna cover the new engine, bimini top and bimini tops for some of their other boats too in their fleet. We're looking to do all of that. If we exceed it, which gosh, I hope we do, we're gonna go ahead and just write them a check, help them cover their expenses for the rest of the year and their other boats in the fleet. This is a chance again for you to pay it forward. If we've helped you out and saved you some money, every little bit helps. Remember that. Couple bucks, we will be grateful for anything you're willing to contribute. Remember, it's going to the veterans that are going to get to benefit from this, and we're just excited to be part of it. Thanks for watching.